very exciting. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. So today I'll be doing a luxury unboxing. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited. I've wanted this bag for such a long time. Literally sometime like last year. I think even longer than that, honestly. It took me a while to get this bag. It was a little pricey. I had to save up. So here it is. So excited. So it comes in here. It's huge. And also, so I bought this in Beverly Hills. You get your, you purchase it, you get your receipt, they put it in here, and it comes in here. I already took it out of here just because I'm very impatient, honestly. There's no other reason why. I can't wait. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. It comes as magnetic, really nice. So I love this for like decor or something. So comes in this dust bag. It's a really huge dust bag. It's very exciting. So I got the Damier Bean. I don't like how it comes all folded. It makes me sad, but I guess that's just how it's supposed to be. Anyway, so I got the Damier Bean canvas, and oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I really wanted a bigger bag. I just have the smaller bags, which I love as well, but I feel like I need a everyday bag that I can just, grab and just go. It's perfect. So yeah, so this one has the rose ballerine interior. So this is the size MM, and the canvas, I just can't get over the canvas. It was kind of hard to decide whether to get this one here or the Damier Azur. But I was like, you know what? I can be a little more, I guess, rough with this bag. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get this bag. I love this canvas. I love it. So I'll show you guys up close. It's beautiful. And the interior is beautiful as well. And then it also comes with this as well. I love when it comes with something else. It just makes me so happy. This bag makes me really, really happy. I've wanted this bag for so long. And it comes with this. This is so cute. Use it for like a night out, or if you just need to grab it really quick, you can use this. It's so cute. I love the idea of this. And also it is rose ballerine inside, and it has a couple things in there. So I guess just the price and everything, I'll take that out. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. This color is so gorgeous. Wow. Such a lovely bag. Oh my gosh, this bag here is so worth it. It's just because this is an everyday bag, you can use it. So anyways, so this is the bag, and also you can do this as well. I don't know if this will ruin the bag. I asked the guy that helped me and he said no, but I don't know, because I really like how this looks. So I'll probably I'll start doing this to my bag. Just hope it doesn't get ruined or anything. I wouldn't want that to happen. So you can do this, give it a different look of bag. It's like you get two bags in one. So how beautiful is that? So beautiful. And then you can also because it looks like this, you can also clip it in as well. How cute is that? It's like a different style bag. Pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, this is really nice. You can fit everything in here. And then I do want to probably get an organizer. So I'll do another video, maybe do a what's in my bag, and I'll show you. So yeah, this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's such a lovely bag. Definitely recommend it. because it's beautiful, and I know I can use this like an everyday bag. Put everything in there. It is called a Neverfull bag, so of course it's gonna never be full. I don't know, I'm being silly. But it's so beautiful. I'm so happy about this bag. Also, let me know what you think of this bag. Yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye.